Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today, as you saw in the title, we're gonna be making a really cool upside down cake. This one happens to be orange and cranberry. I'm gonna start off by making this box cake mix. If you guys have a favorite orange cake recipe that you like using, you could do that. Or if you're in a hurry, just prepare this. Once it's all mixed together, you're gonna choose what size cake you wanna make. You can make this like an 11-inch circle or an 8-inch or even a 13 by 9. All of these are gonna have different baking times, so keep that in mind. Since I want this to be done quickly today, I'm gonna use this 11-inch. Start off by taking some fresh cranberries. Make sure that they're covering the pan in a single layer. Now I'm gonna just go in with a few mandarin oranges. You can use any kind of oranges. You can use tangerines. Heck, you don't even have to use oranges if you don't want, because this cake is already orange flavor. I'm going to sprinkle this with a little bit of this orange jello. I'm not gonna add the whole box. I'm just gonna sweeten these cranberries. Cranberries that are fresh are extremely sour. Now here I have some mini marshmallows. Add a layer of these marshmallows. Half of that. This smells so good. It smells exactly like an orange creamsicle. What you're gonna do now is take all of that cake batter and pour it over all those different layers of the fruits, jello powder, and marshmallow. You guys are gonna go crazy over this smell. All right, I'm gonna bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes. The 45 minutes has passed, and if you're wondering if this cake is ready, all you have to do is just press it with your finger, and when it bounces back, you know it's done. Or you could stick a knife inside, and if it comes out clean, you could tell that way also. All right, I'm so excited. I'm gonna go around it just to make sure it doesn't stick. And we're gonna flip this guy over. Yeah, the flipper. Oh my gosh, look, a lot of the fruit stayed on the bottom. So I'm just gonna take it out and put it on top. All right guys, now for the best part, taste test time. Look at the colors of this cake. They just scream autumn with that bright red and orange. The marshmallows gives this cake like the weirdest texture. It's almost like a jiggly texture. Any flavor combo that you use, like whatever jello flavor or fruit you use, this cake is always gonna turn out good. Let's go ahead and give it a try. If I close my eyes, this is exactly what I think of Thanksgiving to taste like. The flavors are super bright. Orange and tart cranberry. It's so sweet. It's not too sweet though, and it's just so delicious. Now, if you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave your comments down below, and as usual, stay tuned for more quick and easy recipes, all of them always with a unique twist.